Right, happy Friday everyone. What have I done throughout the week? I have painted the pegs, although I've lost a sodding ball bearing out there, which is really irritating out the other side. So I haven't put those back on yet, but they're looking a lot better. I need to do something with the exhaust, probably clean it off, maybe give it another coat, but still looking a damn sight better than it was. Started to have a look at the brakes, a bit corroded in there. Don't know if they're salvageable. I think they are. They still worked okay, so I'll have a look at that. I haven't looked at the front one yet, but my lights arrived. Look at that. That looks a lot better than that round horrible thing did. So just to check, side light, full light, flasher, yeah, job is a good one, as they say. I think that looks really quite good actually. Quite chuffed with that. Not much you can see. Yeah, looks a lot better. Now I do need to, I mean I've just tagged it in with a couple of plastic cuffs at the moment. I do need to do some trimming, I think, to get it away. So what I might do is take an angle and just cut through the plastic. It's probably easiest to just whip it off, so I'll get a pen out and just do a little bit of rough marking on that, I think, just to ease it in a little bit, because I don't want big gaps. It looks a bit toss, technical phrase there, but yeah, I might just draw a line off on that and give it a bit of a snip. But yeah, looking a lot better. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Now, before I start snipping away, I'm going to have a check at the angle that that's going at. So I might wait for it to get dark tonight and have a look at it, and then just give it a bit of a trim. But that's so much better than it was. Actually, I've not started it for a while, so let's just see if it's I've turned the fuel off, haven't I? Full. Play with the fuel. Well, that's confirmed it. Right, so side stand is now on its main stand, side stand down. Side stand up. So it will start on its side stand on the electric switch. On the button, it won't do it on the main. That makes complete sense. Cool. What else have we got? Now, what I've also got picked up is some of this, we call it cable armour. So I'm just going to bang that because that looks super scruffy around there. I'm happy with the electrics; they all work fine. So I'll just stick that on. There you go. A few seconds later, it's a lot better. Brilliant stuff actually. I might have to see if I can grab some more. It can be used on other projects. So yeah, the light looks great. It's just needs tidying up, I think, a little bit of chopping away, but I want to check what angle that is. It is adjustable, but hey, for 16 quid including packaging, I'm well happy with that. Cool. And it sounds good. bit noisy, but frankly, whoever kid buys this, or whoever buys it for their kid, that's what they want. It's not for me. It's not for me, it's not my thing. But yeah, exactly, it's not for me. What next? Brakes. So yeah, I'll sort them brakes out this weekend. And mount that headlight properly. But it's all good. It's all good. Catch you later, people. Hello, gorgeous.
You're a gorgeous girl, aren't you? Wait, should we go and check the garden out?